As we examine data structures in Python, the concept of sequences is an integral part of that exploration. A lot of available literature on sequences can come across quite technical, abstract, or even unclear at times. This is why this session aims to both introduce and define the language applied to the concept and role of sequences in Python. To do this, we will now define terms related to sequences in Python. When we talk about or use the term data structure, we are referring to how data is stored, organized, and managed in computer memory. When we use the term container, we're referring to a data structure that can hold items or values. When we use the term indexing, we are speaking or referring to an index system or pointer that accesses and returns a data element within a data structure. When we use the term slicing, in Python, this is the extraction of part of a string, list, or tuple. So for example, if we take the literal string cat and extract the A in the middle, this would be referred to as slicing. And finally, when we use the term string, we are talking about a sequence of characters. In Python programming, sequences are containers for storing items or values that can be accessed through indexing or slicing. In this image, we see a sequence of string values, more specifically, names of colors, held in an array or list type container. In Python, there are several operations that can be performed on sequences. These include concatenation, repetition, membership testing, indexing, and slicing. Concatenation. This is the combining of multiple sequences together. Repetition. This is the repeating of a particular sequence multiple times. Membership testing. This is the test of whether an item is a member of a sequence. Indexing. This is the assignment of an index value for each item in a sequence. Slicing. This is the extraction of a range from a sequence. In this session, we have identified that sequences are containers for storing items or values that can be accessed through operations like indexing and slicing. Over the next few sessions, we will examine various types of sequences in Python, which include lists, tuples, sets, dictionaries, strings,